Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You know that I like getting things done within less than 2 minutes. So today I will be showing you 3 ways to create kids playhouse within less than 2 minutes. So let's see. So for the very first option, all you need is a mattress. You can take any mattress you want. I would prefer a single bed mattress because it is easier to handle. I have a normal 2-inch foam mattress. I had that spare so I could use it easily. That is all you need for this. And then you have to find a place, a smaller space between two heavy furnitures or between a furniture and a wall like I have here. So this is my wardrobe and this is my bed. So it is a small space between two heavy furnitures. The idea is the tent should not move and both the furnitures should provide, or wall and a furniture should provide them support. So all you have to do is take your mattress like I have here, and then so this is what the final outcome looks like. It is simply brilliant because it does not need anything except a mattress. It is super easy to assemble and disassemble, and my child just loves it. For the second style, all you need are 4 rods and a rope to tie them. You can take any kind of rods you want, steel, aluminium, or even wooden. What you see here are aluminium rods. They are 6 feet tall, but you can take the smaller ones as well as per your child needs. And all you have to do is tie the ends together with the rope. So once you tie rope at the end of the rods, just spread the rods like this as shown so as to give your tent a shape and throw a sheet on it. That is all. So this is what the final outcome looks like. Super easy. It hardly took me 2 minutes to assemble this and it is very quick. My daughter loves it. It is a must try thing. Try it. So if you do not have a spare mattress at home or you cannot find rods at home, then this third option is the thing for you. For this, all you need is 2 chairs, like I have here, this and this. Place them back facing each other, and then you need a board. It can be, this is a whiteboard what I have. You can take a board, you can take a wooden log, you can even take a file, or you can even take a folder. So idea is we just have to create the top of the tent like this. So what you can see now, the shape of the tent is ready and all you have to do is throw a sheet on it and you're done. So this is what the final outcome looks like. Very basic, super easy to make and super quick. Though it is a bit small, but your kid will love it because it does not need anything else apart from 2 chairs and a board to make it. Try it and let me know how it goes. If you like my ideas, give my videos a thumbs up. I would love to hear back from all of you for any suggestions or feedbacks. If already not done, please subscribe to my channel. Stay in, stay safe, and I will see you all next week. Bye-bye.